साल 2020 हम सभी पे बहुत भारी रहा है। इस साल में हमने क्या नहीं देखा। इतने मेजर सेलिब्रिटीज फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री को हम लोगों ने खो दिया। वन ऑफ द मेजर टर्निंग पॉइंट बीइंग 14th of June 2020, जिस दिन हमने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, एक लेजेंडरी स्टुपेंडस एक्टर को खो दिया। सुशांत की डिमाइस के बाद बॉलीवुड में नेपोटिज्म की डिबेट जैसे कि आग की तरह फैल गई। एक बार फिर गड़े मुर्दे उखड़ने लगे। इसी दौरान कंगना रनौत came as a support to Sushant Singh Rajput's death and has been trying for justice for Sushant ever since that day. Well, on the same note, कंगना को एक लीडिंग पोर्टल पे देखा गया जहां पे वो टीवी स्क्रीन पे काफी कुछ बोल रही थी इन रिगार्ड्स टू सुशांत सिंह राजपूत's डेथ। लेकिन इतनी सारी बातों और स्टेटमेंट्स के बीच में उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी स्टेटमेंट कही जिसके बाद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जैसे कि एक जंग सी छिड़ गई। In the same regard, Swara Bhaskar, who was called a B-grade actress by Kangana Ranaut during the interview, has taken an offense to this thing. She in fact also labeled the Veer the Wedding actress as one of the chaplus and alleged how despite her starting the whole insider-outsider moment for actors like Taapsee Pannu and Swara Bhaskar, they've been against her forever. Kangana also claimed of bringing a parallel cinema with her film Queen, and the latter tried to copy her. इतने सारे war of words के बाद, it seems like Swara Bhaskar tweeted a sarcastic response and poked fun at Kangana. 1955 में पाथर पंचाली के साथ कंगना जी ने पैरेलल सिनेमा चलाया। 2013 में क्वीन फिल्म के साथ फेमिनिज्म शुरू किया, पर इस सबसे पहले 1947 में उन्होंने भारत को आजादी दिलाई थी। कहत एक अज्ञात चापलूस जरूरतमंद आउटसाइडर, चापलूसी का फल खाते और उंगलियां चाटते हुए। Kangana ji ran parallel cinema with Pathetic Panchali in 1955. She started feminism in 2013 with Queen's film. But first of all, in 1947, she got independence for India. An unknown psychopathic, needy outsider eating the fruit, mango of Aplance and licking fingers. Well, this, however, did not go well with Kangana Ranaut's team, and they gave it back to Swara, writing, "Dear really Swara, none of you were born in the golden era of Indian cinema after gangsters, mafias and dons took over the industry. It became a big stinking gutter, and feminism and parallel cinema awakening happened with Queen in 2014. If not, please correct us, when did it happen?" Well, it seems like कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की डेथ के साथ ना ही सिर्फ नेपोटिज्म की डिबेट, एक दूसरे के ऊपर कीचड़ उछालने का काम भी शुरू हो गया है। Even though कंगना शायद कई पॉइंट्स में करेक्ट है, but it seems like her taking a dig at all the possible Bollywood biggies or maybe female actresses has actually made them answer back to her. The only question is that the audience and fans are a little worried that maybe इन सारी बातों के कारण मेन मुद्दे पे से नजर हटी जानी है। एक और ट्वीट कंगना की टीम ने किया जिसमें उन्होंने लिखा, "It's evident your motive is to simply distract people and the culprits who killed Sushant. People like you not only protect terrorists and anti-nationals but also protect movie mafias, dons and others. Shame on you and on your evil intentions." Well, इसके बाद भी ये जंग खत्म नहीं हुई। आगे कंगना की टीम ने एक और एक्यूजेशन रखा। Kangana accused her of intentionally doing all this to distort the audience and fans from Sushant's alleged killer. "It is evident that your motive is to simply distort from the culprits who killed Sushant. People like you not only protect terrorists and anti-nationals, but also protect movie mafias, dons. Shame on you and your evil intentions." Well, nobody knows किसको actually hold करना चाहिए सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के सुसाइड के लिए. But it seems like that this debate in the industry going on right now because of Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a never-ending debate. What do you think about the word of war happening between Swara Bhaskar and Kangana Ranaut? Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar to know what will unfold next in Sushant Singh Rajput's case, and also क्या होने वाला है आगे between Swara Bhaskar and Kangana Ranaut. All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.